Updating your business profile on Muvi is essential for maintaining accurate information and enhancing your brand presence. Follow these simple steps to ensure your profile is up to date. Step 1. Log in. Access your Muvi account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to edit your business profile. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your business profile settings. Step 3. Edit business information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Review and save changes. After making your updates, carefully review all the information to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. Step 5. Verify updates. Log out and log back in or refresh your profile page to verify that the changes have been successfully applied. Check that all information displays correctly. By following these steps, you can keep your business profile on Muvi current and engaging for your audience.